Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created this look. I'll be giving you a detailed tutorial on how I took it from this to this. I mean, this is going to be very detailed, and I promise you, you're not going to regret clicking this video because I'm giving you everything. So after applying my skin prep, sorry I didn't record it because of time. I used my Sylvie Mark foundation with the warm undertone. I'll drop the number in the description box. So I applied it on her face. You can see how it matches her skin tone. I am obsessed with dark skin. I love dark skin. So I blended it out. And if you want a flawless look, this is actually the time you do that. You can achieve that, because if your base is not clean, if your base is not smooth, if your base is not good enough, trust me, everything is going to be ruined. So after the foundation application, I went in with my blush from my Eye Magic lip palette. Yes, so you can see I'm building it up. I did not just pack the blush to our cheekbone. I applied it gently and I build it up until it gives me the depth I wanted. Yes, I'm a pink girl, and no matter your complexion, I will always apply a pink blush. That's because I love pink. Yes. For concealer, I used the Vogue concealer, 2 shade lighter than our in our inner corner of our eye, and then I used concealer 1 shade lighter than a skin tone in the outer corner of our eye. After applying it, I blended it out and I did not rush. Take note that makeup is not something you can achieve in 1 minute. You need time, you need patience, yes. So you take your time to blend out any product to avoid harsh lines. Yes. So I blended it out gently, and do not forget that concealer is not the same weight as foundation. So with concealer, you take it lightly. You do not apply the same pressure you used on foundation on concealer. I'll always tell you this. Yes. So blend, and voila. After blending out the concealer, I went in with the powder 1 shade lighter than her, and then I applied it in the inner corner. In fact, where I highlighted her face, just the highlighted areas. So I applied the powder gently. I applied it until I feel that the under eye is dry. Yes, that is what I did. So after applying my powder, I went in with Miracle Cosmetic powder in Curry, and then I set the under eye. And do not forget, I will keep saying this, till tomorrow, until you guys learn, until you know that you're not supposed to pack too much powder, too much product. So I applied it lightly So to set your under eye, when you pack or take a little of the setting powder, dust it off before taking it to the eye. Okay, you guys know me, I will not stop telling you guys the truth until you do better. I'm applying powder from Lavender Powder Palette on her face. Yeah, you can see there is no changes in our complexion. I'm still maintaining our complexion, so you should also do this. Don't go outside your client's complexion while applying powder. Same thing applies to foundation. While applying foundation, you must make sure that it matches your client's complexion. It's very, very important. Same thing with the powder. Yeah, so for brow, I used my Bromatic brow gel. You guys know this is the one I use, the brown one. And after that, I used Akai and A-Star to line the brow and then give it a shape. Just watch and enjoy. After filling in the brow with my pencil, I used same Avoid concealer I used to highlight her face in highlighting the eyebrow, and I blended it out immediately to avoid harsh lines. If you want to see how I created this beautiful pigment and glitter eye work, I will drop the link up here and also in my description box. So please do well to go and watch it. I'm so sorry that I had to remove it from this video. That's because I couldn't export this video. Like, it took me over 2 days to export this video. So this is very, very frustrating. Like, sometimes I feel like giving up, but I'm not giving up. Yeah, so please, if you're watching my video, do well to support me by subscribing to my channel, like and comment, and also share it with your friends. That's the only thing you can do for me to help me on this platform to keep pushing and giving you good tutorials like this. Thank you so much. After applying the lip stain, I went in with a little of blush again, and at this time my girl was feeling herself. She was already feeling herself. She loved her makeup, you can see that. And then I went in again with my liquid highlighter on the cheekbone, her forehead, and then her nose. This makeup cannot be complete if I don't use my healer. I love this highlighter because it gives me exactly what I want. Yes, so I used my highlighter on the cheekbone, the nose, and the bridge of her nose. to pop it out because this is going to be hot. I love it. And then I told her to hold her breath. Let me seal everything together. This is what we have. I don't know why I'm happy. I just do not know, but I love this look. Let me know if you love this look as much as I do, because what is all this beauty? What is this? I love this look. I love it so much, especially the high work, our skin match. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you for staying with us till this point. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel to see more interesting beauty tutorial like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.